Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through increasingly affordable electric vehicles and energy products. To ramp production to 500,000 cars per year, Tesla alone will require today's entire worldwide supply of lithium-ion batteries. The Tesla Gigafactory was born out of necessity and will supply enough batteries to support Tesla's projected vehicle demand. Today, the Gigafactory produces Model 3 electric motors and battery packs, in addition to Tesla's energy storage products, Powerwall and Powerpack. Gigafactory Texas, also known as Tesla Gigafactory 5 or Giga Texas, is an automotive manufacturing facility near Austin, Texas, under construction by Tesla since July 2020. Tesla aims to have first production before the end of 2021 and volume production in 2022. It will handle an unprecedented volume of production 28 times more than its present Gigafactory in Nevada. Let's check out Tesla's Terafactory, the Giga Texas. Before we start, however, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, subscribe to Technopool and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now let's get into it. Tesla had been considering locations across 8 states in the central United States during 2019-2020. Community groups and government officials in several areas of the United States expressed interest in hosting what was expected to be a very large Tesla Gigafactory manufacturing facility, some expressing interest in facilitating land procurement, getting over the regulatory obstacles, and considering potential tax incentives. By May 2020, a selection process was underway by Tesla. The shortlist included Austin, Nashville and Tulsa. But why Austin? For one thing, everything is bigger in Texas, the Governor Greg Abbott said at a press conference in December. Austin has also long been the tech center of Texas, with 6,500 startups and tech companies based here, including Dell, which was founded in 1984 by Michael Dell while he was at the University of Texas and helped kick off the city's technology boom. This is also the home of South by Southwest, which has transformed from an indie music gathering into one of the world's most trend-setting technology festivals. $1 billion facility. Gigafactory 5 is the most recent of Tesla's confirmed production facilities to be announced. In fact, Giga Texas, as it's being called, was not even confirmed by Tesla as a factory location until July of 2020. Nevertheless, it is currently under construction in Austin, Texas. Elon Musk has said that when Giga Texas is complete, it will become an ecological paradise. Parts of it will also be open to the public with boardwalks, streams and hiking trails. He promises to make it a nature lover's paradise. What we know so far is that the construction site sits on nearly 2,500 acres, and Tesla chose Austin because it was looking for a location more than halfway toward the East Coast. 1,000 gigawatt-hour facility. Tesla Nevada having a production capacity of 35 gigawatt-hours, and it produces the battery packs used for the company's electric vehicles. With the unveiling of the Cybertruck, Elon Musk has hinted at the need for a larger facility with a terawatt-hour capacity. That's a 1,000 gigawatt-hour facility. It will be so large, you could fit 20 to 80 gigafactories in it. The facility is proposing to operate a cell manufacturing unit to produce the battery packs that are installed in the vehicle. The final product from this operation are the cells, the application says. Furthermore, Giga Texas is planned to be the main factory for both the highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi. Most recently, some of the larger buildings on the Giga Texas campus are starting to go up, and Tesla is already posting job opportunities. The company has said it will manufacture many of its electric vehicles at the factory, but it has filed for a permit from the state to produce batteries as well. That would make the facility among the first Tesla locations to have both full-scale battery and vehicle production. The new manufacturing plant will be a key site for Tesla, as it attempts to break into the U.S. market for pickups, now dominated by Ford, General Motors and Fiat Chrysler, the so-called Big Three automakers. The factory, just outside Austin in Travis County, will be the launching point for Tesla's electric pickup, which it is calling the Cybertruck because of the vehicle's unconventional, sci-fi appearance. Tesla also has said the plant will serve demand in the eastern and central portions of the country for its Model 3 compact sedan, and for its recently introduced Model Y compact sport utility vehicle. In addition, it will produce Tesla's planned commercial semi-truck for long-haul shipping. The new manufacturing plant will be just the company's second in the United States and fourth in the world. It will create 5,000 jobs. Over a period of 4 years, the company plans to hire about 5,000 workers, with salaries averaging up to $47,147, making Tesla Austin's largest tech employer. They are apparently looking at a range of job profiles, everything from entry-level positions, at a starting salary of $35,000, to more specialized positions that pay more. The company appears to have hit the ground running on that target, even though the factory remains a long way from operational. Dozens of jobs have been listed on Tesla's corporate website for positions in Austin. ROHAN PATEL, Tesla's Senior Director of Public Policy and Business Development, said recently that the company also plans to forge partnerships with area high schools, colleges, workforce training agencies and trade groups as it builds its roster of employees in the region. We need access to the best, and we need access to a lot of folks. We need trained people, and we need to have those partnerships in place, Patel said, speaking during a panel discussion on regional workforce development. Travis County and the Del Valle School District helped lure Tesla here by approving tax breaks sought by Tesla that are valued at a minimum of about $60 million combined. Construction advancement. Construction for the Giga Texas started on January 19, 2021, with foundations being flooded with 3 gigapress machines in the northeast corner of the property. Components began arriving the next day, and the first Giga press was fixed into position. By March 2021, it seems construction was in full rhythm. Several areas like the northeast corner were already completed. At the water treatment facility, workers were spotted rolling their own metal tubes from spools on site. The internal wall of the factory has also had blue paneling installed. Several deliveries of components, tools, ducting and framing materials have been rolling in every day. Tesla hasn't provided an official public timeline for the project. But Elon Musk, the company's maverick CEO, has said he hopes to have the factory running, and possibly turning out Cybertrucks by late 2021. Still, Musk, a billionaire, is accustomed to getting what he wants, so it appears to be a good bet that the Austin area factory will be in production at the end of this year. Battery production wasn't publicly discussed when the prospect of a local Tesla factory first was raised, but now it appears to be a big part of the company's plans. In addition, another Musk-led business, a tunneling and infrastructure transportation firm, called the Boring Company, recently hinted that Musk has additional efforts in the works here as well. It's unclear where and why the company would be planning to tunnel in the Austin area. But Musk himself, an energetic, if cryptic Twitter user, appears to have taken a liking to the region, meaning more surprises could be brewing. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. There are many more future-focused tech videos coming in the near future, so until then stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.